Good morning once again. How are you, my subscribers and viewers on my YouTube channel? So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be notified with my new app or new video. For any channels that I'm making. So for now, our topic in Bigo is how to live a family. So when you join a family in Bigo, you can live anytime you want. Alright, so anytime. It doesn't matter if you just join and you want to live immediately, you can live. So, excuse me. The first thing to do is, all you need to do is go to your profile. So this one here. I'm on my profile and you can see your family. So I'm here, I'm on my Jewels farm, and if I wanted to leave my Jewels farm, I'll just click my Jewels farm. See that one there? Click it. Yeah. So when you click your Jewels farm, you can see the that four corner there. So all you have to do is just click. Alright. Yeah. So when you click that, there is create family, invite, report, admin, and leave the family. So all you need to do is leave the family. So once you click that leave the family, then you leave the family. That's all, guys. It's too easy. All right. Thanks for joining. And if you want to create another, just click another. Maybe I can create another once I leave the family. Yeah, I'll create another, but that's what it how it will be when you want to leave the family. All right, thank you, bye.